In this clip, a pedestrian runs out and gets hit by a car. Thankfully, our driver here had a dash cam, so caught everything on camera. Let's roll the clip and learn some lessons. I'm going to start it in the middle because the first half is just the driver driving around, nothing happens. So I put it in the middle, and this is where the action starts. Yeah, there wasn't much that he could do, that our driver could do over here. The pedestrian jumped out of nowhere. Right there, just running out, not looking to the left or to the right. This is in New York, in the Bronx. A lot of cars, a lot of traffic. You should always check to make sure that it's clear before running out into the street, and you shouldn't run out to the street anyway. It's dangerous. This is why your parents told you not to run out into the street as a kid. This is what happens. This is also another reason to get a dash cam if you don't have one. Because if our driver here didn't have a dash cam, this would become a case of he said, she said. Who knows whose side the insurance is going to take. Looks like this person is trying to catch up with his buddies over here. The buddies could cover for him and say, yeah, he checked both ways. The driver was speeding and he clipped our friend over here. But because our driver had a dash cam, there's no question who's at fault. Our driver wasn't speeding. And if you look at the first half of the video, he's just driving very calmly, very smoothly, following the law, not speeding. So our pedestrian here was 100% in the wrong. Fortunately, it looks like it was slow enough and our driver was able to brake enough where it wasn't going to be that harmful. Not too many injuries. Probably would have hurt though. Probably went home, felt it when he woke up the next day. So it looks like everyone made it out of this okay. But don't let this happen to you. Our driver here did nothing wrong. Did everything right. Had a dash cam on top of that. Don't be like this pedestrian. Check both ways before crossing into a street, or an intersection for that matter. When you're in a car and entering an intersection, check both ways. Make sure it's clear before entering. People run red lights. Just because you have a green, doesn't mean it's safe. It just means you have the right of way. And if you don't have a dash cam, pick one up today in the description box below. Be safe, be responsible, be vigilant.